5 reasons why Bhrigu Lake Trek should be on your bucket list. Bhrigu Lake Trek is a high-altitude trek in Kullu district of Himachal Pradesh. It starts from Manali and is situated at altitude of 4,300 meters above sea level. It is a 3-day trek which is graded as easy to moderate, and even first-timers can opt for this trek with normal fitness level. Here are 5 reasons why Bhrigu Lake Trek will leave you speechless. First, highest alpine lake which you can reach in shortest time. Bhrigu Lake is a Himalayan alpine lake at an elevation of 4,300 meters above sea level. Most of the alpine lakes in Himalayas require 5 to 7 days, but Bhrigu Lake can be completed in just 3 days, making it accessible to beginners as well. The lake remains frozen till late June. Second, availability of snow. It is one of the few treks in the Himalayas which has good snow cover even in the peak summer month of April, May and June. It is a heaven for trekkers looking for snow in summers. Third, Grand Alpine Meadows and terrain like Swiss Alps. The trek opens up to Grand Meadows on day 1 itself. Only a few treks offer such massive meadows and views of the snow-covered mountains. The lush green meadows looks like a natural painting of all shades of green. Fourth, mythological significance. It is said that Maharishi Bhrigu, one of the Saptrishi in Hindu mythology, has meditated here. The lake is named after him. Fifth, perfect high-altitude trek for beginners. It is perfect to begin your trekking journey in terms of altitude, duration, and the terrain. It is a kind of trek which offers maximum rewards with minimum efforts. So, if you are planning to start your trekking journey in the Himalayas or you are an experienced trekker, the Bhrigu Lake Trek must be in your bucket list this summer. Don't wait to start packing. For more details, visit us at www.thesearchingsouls.com.